Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ASUS ROG Phone 8, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. Firstly, remember the one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. Firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have the cover. Then just insert one part of the brush into the connector and take the dirt out. Wow, cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.